Hello Inderjeet, it's Surab here at Boss Motors taking this video especially for you of this 2014 Tesla Model S P85 with a very unique color. It's a dark green and the interior is tan. It's leather and suede and the ceiling is suede too. It does have very nice matte dark brown wood trim. That's the mileage in kilometers. Full range with the full charge is actually around 400 excuse me, kilometers. It has nice huge sunroof here. There's the car proof, which shows there was a light damage reported, but there was a $0 paid by insurers, so it probably was less than deductible, so insurers did not pay anything. The vehicle is fully certified and serviced at Tesla Mississauga Center, and there is a balance of factory warranty. I'm gonna send you some details, exact dates. And it's a 5-seater, has a air suspension, has a power lift gate, nice carbon spoiler. That's the battery charging cable actually. So the vehicle is here, it's available. If you have any question, please call me back at 905-660-2901 extension 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. The condition of the vehicle is really clean and nice, so I don't really see any damages or scratches or stone chips on the bumper, so paint is absolutely perfect. Thank you.